2018 McLaren 570S Spider review. Go on, take your top off. With no compromise over the 570S Coupe, McLaren makes a heck of a case for going topless. While I'm not usually the guy who chooses convertible over coupe, it's hard to argue against the McLaren 570S Spider. That's especially true today, soaking in the sun along California's Highway 1, tracing the coast from Pacific Palisades up to Malibu. Never mind how good the warm rays feel on my cheeks, or how the salty air tingles as it hits the skin inside my nose. With absolutely no performance or utility lost in the transition from coupe to Spider, going topless only works to enhance the already brilliant 570S experience. One of the best driving cars on the road today. And I don't say that lightly. Every facet of McLaren driving comes together in an intoxicating nature. The company's supercars have a character all their own. Everything from the incredibly precise, nicely weighted steering, to how amicable the suspension is to different types of road surfaces. There are noticeable differences between the normal, sport, and track settings of the chassis control. You can comfortably drive the 570S in crazy Los Angeles traffic or hang the tail out on a track, and in every scenario, the 570S rewards the driver with tons of communication through the steering and chassis, huge levels of grip, and a truly involving experience that inspires confidence from behind the wheel.